What up, y'all? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. We're out here in Hazlet, Texas. Check out this massive building behind me. We got it 30 feet wide, 50 foot long, and 16 foot tall up to the eaves. What do you know about that? Let's go check it out. Alrighty, everyone. This is Brian with American Steel Carports. Today we're out here in Hazlet, Texas. It's about an hour north of our shop in Joshua, Texas. We're going to be checking out this building right behind me. It's going to be 30 feet wide, 50 foot long, and then 16 foot tall up to the eaves. It's got a normal 312 pitch. It's got these big 12 by 14 tall roll-up doors here in front. They are going to be the chain hoisted roll-up doors. As you can see down here, they don't have any latch. So they are the doors that have to be opened from the inside. Luckily, this customer did order some walk-in doors with this building so they can get on the inside and open those doors up. They also have some windows along the sides, and then they have a small little lean-to here on the right-hand side of this building. So we're gonna check out the colors real quick. It's gonna be the white for all the siding, and it's gonna have the black trim and the black roof. Hopefully you can tell on camera, but the customer did go ahead and get the vertical panels all around the structure. So that's gonna be on the sides and the ends and the roof as well. Looks really nice. And with these doors, they look so big, but they look really good. Haven't spoken to the customer yet as to why they got these big doors. Looks like they may be loading up some equipment or some big vehicles in here. But yeah, looks really nice. Let's go check out the lean-to on the side. Alrighty guys, as you can see here on the right-hand side of this building, the customer did go ahead and get a small lean-to closer to the back of the structure. It's gonna be 10 foot wide, 25 foot long, so half of the building. It's going to be connected to the main structure here at 12.5, and it's going to drop down to 10 feet. It looks really nice and gives you, some extra added coverage for something that doesn't necessarily need to be stored inside of the building, but can be stored outside and also be accessed, quickly and easily. Looks really nice. But let's move on. Here, you can also see that the customer did get a walk-in door, one of the regular ones, the 36 by 80. Customer also did decide to get 1, 2, 36 by 36 inch double pane windows. They look really nice. They also have the mesh guard here on the front. Now let's go inside the building. Alright guys, now that we're inside the building, you can see just how massive it is at 30 feet wide, 50 foot long, and 16 foot tall. Over here on the left-hand side, you can see the customer did go ahead and get 3 30 by 53 inch windows, as well as another walk-in door on the other side. And then one thing I did want to point out that this customer, because the leg height is 16 foot tall, on normal buildings with smaller legs, they come with a single bar tubing. But to keep this building engineer certified, this customer did have to get legs that are more reinforced. So as you can see here, they are going to be the tubing, a spacer in between, and then another piece of tubing. And that just makes sure that your building is going to stay engineer certified here in Texas. The customer also did go ahead and get the vertical panels everywhere around. So you can see that they did get the girts that run alongside of the length of the structure. And if you look to the back here, you can see the verticals for the end walls and the girts as well. And then if you happen to look up, you can see that the customer did get the hat channels for the vertical style roof. So this building is going to be really reinforced here in Texas. Alrighty guys, like I mentioned in the intro of this video, the customer did get 2 12 wide by 14 tall roll-up doors here on the front end of the building. And the structure itself has 16 foot tall legs. And the reason for that is that American Steel asks that whenever you do get a roll-up door on an end wall or even a side wall, that you adjust for a foot above itself, because up to doors that are 10 by 10 require a foot above where it's placed so that it can roll up into itself, because that coil is going to take up some space. Now on doors that are bigger than 10 by 10, they require 2 feet. So that's why this customer went ahead and got 16 foot tall legs, so that whenever the door does roll up into itself, the customer is going to have room to do so. Alrighty guys, that was us giving you a quick little look here at a 30 wide by 50 foot long, 16 foot tall, big warehouse. Also, if you ever need anything bigger here in Texas, we can go 100 feet wide as long as you need it, and 25 foot tall up to the eaves. Giving you a nice little look here at these 12 by 14 roll-up doors. As a reminder, we do have motors for the bigger doors that we offer, so you can keep them chain hoisted or add the automatic roll-up door for ease of use. Don't forget to drop some comments down below, share and like this video, and subscribe to our channel for further videos. Anyways, this has been Brian here with American Steel Carports, here to answer questions and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.